Now let us understand how to read graph of functions. Consider the given graph to answer the questions. So here we have a parabola, which is f of x, and a straight line going through -1, which is g of x. The question is find f of -1, then we have find x when g of x is equal to -1. And next the question is find f of g2, right? So we say f of g of 2. So that's the composite function, okay? So let's try to understand what it really means and how to read a graph to find the value for functions. So the first one is find f of -1. So it is looking into the function f of x. F of x is this parabola opening downwards. When we say f of -1, that means we're looking for the value of the function at x equals to -1. Now x is -1 at this point. So what is the value of the function at this point? So if you go up, you find that the value of the function is right there, which is equal to 3, right? So this is equals to 3. The next one is find x when g of x is -1. Now g of x is the straight line. When g of x is -1, g of x is -1 at this point, right? So that is -1, value of g of x. It happens at x equals to 0, right? So the answer is x equals to 0. So at x equals to 0, g of x is -1. Now we have find f of g of 2. So let's figure out what is g of 2. So we can write this as equal to f of g of 2. That means value of g of x at x equals to 2. At x equals to 2, the value is just 2, right? So at 2 it is just 0, right? So g of 2 is 0, so we get f of 0. Now what is the value of function f of x at x equals to 0? At x equals to 0, the value is 4, correct? That means f of g2 is 4. So that's our answer. So we can write f of g of 2 is equal to 4. So first evaluate the inside function and then the outside function to get the correct value. I hope the steps are clear. Thank you and all the best.